All right, so look, I don't know what y'all's living situation is, but if it's anything like mine where you live in an apartment complex, you guys know you find some crazy ass drivers that just be pulling out, not looking, just swinging the car anywhere, speeding through the neighborhood. And for the longest time, I never really set myself up or prepared myself for something bad to happen, because the other day I was going to the gym. It was like 6 in the morning, so I totally understand people are in a rush. They're going to work and stuff, but literally this lady in a Honda just mashes in reverse. I'm so close to her, and thankfully I was like on my P's and Q's, slam the brakes, stop just in time. She goes on about not even caring a world. So, you know, precautions. That's what we're gonna do today. We're just gonna start and rip this thing open. Looks like we have like 2 packages here. I might need a knife. It kind of gets me excited to do some product reviews on the channel of things that like I find very useful that I will continue to use. And you know, if it's protecting the Mustang at all costs, especially one that I drive every day and one that is very expensive, then it's kind of worth it in my opinion. I know a lot of people probably don't like to run them, but kind of like the perk with this car is I have my windshield tinted very dark, so you won't even see anything from the outside in. I know that's like somebody's biggest pet peeve is seeing like a dash cam mounted up in the windshield from the outside, so I don't really have to worry about that. And to me, it's kind of worth it, but this thing looks pretty cool. And here it is, the 70 MAI dashcam Omni. Well, we have 2 boxes to open. I'm gonna guess this box right here is going to be probably our power accessories. You can actually hardwire it, which will give you just a much cleaner setup overall. They do give you options to hardwire it, and it is a USB-C, which is pretty nice. Set that to the side, and now we're gonna open up the main device. This is something y'all can get behind, just like unboxing videos and stuff. Let me know, because dude, I'm a nerd. I'm a big nerd. If you guys watch Dose of DVP, which I know I haven't posted on there in a while, but I used to do the whole live streaming. I used to do, you know, just, I'm into computers. Like I've built PC before, and I don't know, I'm a nerd. So like when it comes to unboxing videos and stuff, I nerd out. So I know there's many people like that out there, but okay. So, the packaging is freaking sick. Look at that. It's like all silver and stuff, but look at that thing, dude. It looks like a security camera. From what I've been told, it is like ridiculously good and very high quality. Yeah, that's the dash cam right here. It looks pretty sick. And honestly, it's gonna be pretty sleek sitting up there. Considering it's 362, that's pretty sick. Some other stuff in the box. If I were to guess, this is going to be the cigarette lighter. Got some like stick thing. I don't know what that is. So this is what you get in the box. Your dash cam, your USB-C power cable. I don't know what this is. We're gonna find out. And then the hardwire. And I think it's all app controlled and stuff. So it's all the packaging we don't need. There she is, ladies and gentlemen. And we're gonna try this out today and just kind of see how it goes. Drop a like on this video, boys. Let's hit 1,000 likes on this video. I know it's something totally out of the ordinary. And if you kind of like these videos, like I said, I know I sound like a broken record, but let's do more. Let's do more tech reviews on DVP. And this is what I was talking about, like my windshield's tinted, so you're not even gonna see it. It's probably gonna hang right below all those lane assist sensors and stuff like that. So we're gonna get this thing mounted up, and it is gonna be a dry mount up, guys. Like I said, we're just gonna use the USB port right down here. We'll have the cable running right here, but obviously if I get this thing hardwired in, I'm not gonna have that just chilling. I'm gonna have it really clean, but it's gonna hang right there. That's where we're gonna put it. And honestly, you could probably even vlog on this thing. It's all app controlled. It is 1080p by 60 frames, so it's what I film in. And it's wide angle. So that, I mean, we could give that a go too. I'll probably put that in this video. And that's actually clutch. So like, if I just wanna do like POV drives, maybe just talking and stuff, I could film the road, and then I can turn it to where it faces me, and then vlog all in one simultaneous clip. So that's pretty cool. Got the dash cam all mounted up. You can even see the little preview screen, and we got the app loaded up as well. We're gonna click start, and it's connecting to it right now. Hey, there's our live view. Let's see. Oh, there's Lucifer. And there's myself. That's actually pretty neat. So I'd like to say that's a pretty good angle setup. I just got done adjusting it so you can see the front end of the car and everything in front. And so far, I'm actually impressed with the quality. Like, I've had a dash cam before and it was horrible quality, and you know, it wasn't wide enough. But this one is very, very nice so far. And this is like streaming through the phone too. So we're gonna record with it, probably go take a little drive just to kind of see how it does. But the whole thing of like, I'm gonna turn it to the vlogging angle so we can see how it looks inside the car. Oh, too far. I mean, look how sick that is. Literally could vlog with this, and you could see your passenger too. So that's pretty cool. And we're gonna test it out. We're gonna see what this thing's about today. It is pretty cool, just kind of seeing it, and I can kind of see how like a lot of people would enjoy this too, not just for the dash cam aspect, but if you want to just do like driving vlogs and stuff. It's definitely doable, and it's hands-free. You don't have to worry about anything. And the fact that it records 24/7, which is kind of a perk because you can just go into your phone and you can save whatever clips you want and just export them, which is pretty simple too. So we're gonna fire old girl up, and we're gonna go take a drive and just kind of see how the driving footage turns out. One of the best selling points about the Omni dash cam is the fact that you can shoot in different directions with a simple voice command. So it is 100% hands-free. And for example, shoot left. There we go. Now we're filming to the left, and it works perfect. You know, if you wanted to shoot vlog, if you wanted to shoot to the right, all sorts of directions. We'll go ahead and try one more. Shoot inside. And now we should have an angle of inside the car. So very, very cool. Before we head into the nighttime driving section, I want to mention Omni's AI motion detection. And as you can see, there is a gentleman walking past my car. Omni picks him up and will track him his whole walk until he's no longer in frame. So this is a really, really good security dash cam as well. It's safe to say that the 70 MAI Omni dash cam does pass the dash cam test, and then some. I'm impressed with you know, the audio video quality in such a compact little dash cam. I'm very excited to try the night vision mode, which obviously I have to wait till it gets dark. So you're gonna see that in this video as well. And we're really gonna put it to the test to see how good it picks up in low light and vlogging with no dome lights on. So if I'm driving and I can put it in like the vlog mode behind me and it picks up good lighting, that's gonna be really cool. We're gonna give that a try and see if they smash it out of the park. All right, guys. Just like that, it is nighttime and we still have our Omni set up, and we're gonna go and give this some nighttime footage. I'm gonna drive around some kind of dark lit areas just to kind of see how good this night vision really is, and then we're gonna go onto like a more busier street, which you would typically find if you live in the suburbs / city area. So two different types of angles. Angle number one is going to be just like out in front of us to our sides a little bit, and then angle number two is going to be on us in the car. No extra lights besides, you know, maybe this illuminating and that, but that's it. We won't have the dome lights on either. So we want a nice raw test with this, and I think it's gonna be good, so let's give it a try. I'm actually heading to the gym right now, and I wanted to go ahead and showcase the HDR mode at nighttime. So as you can see, it is very, very clear. Now, you will get better clarity if you don't have tint on your windshield like myself. I have, I think, 20% on the windshield, which is very, very dark. So just, you know, keep that in mind. If you don't have any tint, the quality will be way better. Considering we're shooting in 60 FPS, it makes it very, very pleasing to watch, and very, very clear. So that is going to be the vlog mode and nighttime driving with the Omni. In the next couple of clips, I actually forgot to turn on the HDR mode with the nighttime setting. So you can tell from the previous clip, it was way more clear. So make sure you remember to turn HDR on. Give it a go. The Omni dash cam also has collision detection. So if you're in a serious accident, it'll obviously capture it by pointing directly to the area of collision, or even if your car gets lightly tapped, it'll detect and it'll do a full 360 just to capture its surroundings. After messing with the dash cam for a little bit and going through all its features and showcasing that to you guys, I must say it's valid. And you can tell, boom, you can't even see it through my windshield, so that's always a plus. Now, I can't say the same for you. You obviously have to have your windshield tinted, but you know, the dash cam does work really well, and I am indeed definitely going to keep this in the car. I'm gonna wire it up a little bit, you know, more clean, and I'm thinking I might actually just utilize, because I don't use that USB slot, so if I can tuck this all nicely inside there, yeah, I'll have a little wire like hanging right there, but to me it's worth it because I daily drive this car, so I'd rather deal with a little wire, and this can get mounted higher up, and you know, just in case anything were to happen, like right now, it's recording. It's always recording, guys, always recording as long as it's plugged in, and again, it follows movement, all this stuff. So if any of you want to get your hands on the Omni, I highly recommend it. You can actually head to the link in the description. I'll link it for you all. And yeah, it's a pretty cool product. By far the best dash cam I've used to date. And you know, its functions and stuff is super easy because it's all on the app. You can save the videos right to your phone. There is no switching SD cards or anything like that. It just films right to your phone. So pretty cool product, and thank you, Omni, for letting me try this out. And guys, if you enjoyed this kind of video, doing like an unboxing slash review and stuff of you know, products that us car guys can use and benefit from, let me know. I'll do more. I think it's kind of fun just messing with some gadgets and nerding out a little bit and seeing how some technology does. So super fun, and thank you all so much for watching today's video. Get yourself the dash cam, you never know. Catch you guys in the next video. We're so close to 200,000 subscribers, so please drop a like on this video, subscribe with bell notifications, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.